All right, guys, this is Mike with Lucky Nubs Barbecue. Today we are introducing the build of the Lucky Nubs Barbecue Powerhouse. What is the Powerhouse? The Powerhouse is going to be a self-contained, solar-powered trailer. As most of you know, most of my grills are pellet grills, which require a household current of 110, and therefore I will need 110 everywhere I go. We are going to be barbecuing for barbecue events. Obviously, barbecue competitions, YouTubers, YouTube events, and different things around the country. So I also want to be able to power my motorhome. All the current it needs, as you can see, the motorhome's behind me on the side of the house, that I can run the AC and all its needs. The trailer is a 1986 enclosed trailer. It is a 7 by 12, 13, 14, depending on where you measure from. It had water leaks. The floor was rotted out. It had all kinds of issues in it. But we've replaced all the floors. As you can see in the back corner, the wood interior is rotted away from one of the leaks. We've got the roof sealed. We've replaced the vents. So that is all working now. On the ramp, you can see I've added transition flaps, so I'll be able to roll the barbecues in and out without having to worry about the lip in between the trailer and the ramp. There was no good flat surface to bolt anything to. As you can see, the wheel wells create a problem for that. Can't do anything flat against the side. So I built a frame 12 inches from the wall out on the driver's side, which gives me a big 10-foot long flat surface to secure grills and or what have you down there. The back section I made to hold 3 6-foot folding tables without having to tie them down. They slide right in, can't go any farther forward, back, up, or down. We'll hold those in. These are residential shelving that you can get at any box store. 12-inch from the wall out. They fit in there perfect, which is going to give me a ton of storage that's going to be out of the way. I will have 3 shelves once I add the middle one. As far as electronics go, I will have a 3,000 watt inverter on LiPo batteries. I've got area in the back for 1 battery, 2 battery, 3 battery inverter. That way I'll be neutralizing the load from front to back. All of the electronics will be here. The distribution for 110 and 12 volts, breakers, all that will be there on the wall. I built a work surface. Not sure if I'm going to keep this, seal it, cover it with stainless steel. I'm not sure, but for right now that will work. I've got lighting already installed, not wired in the ceiling, 10 strips. This month I will be working on the electrical, which will be the solar, hooking up the inverter, the batteries, fuses, all of that stuff I'll be working on this month. I will be documenting that for future builds. This is just an introduction of the build. I'll try to salvage what I can video-wise from the physical build of last month, building the wall, framing, replacing the floor, etc. I did corrupt a few cards, but I'll salvage what I can. And from here going forward, I will document a lot better and back up everything the same day, so I have that video. But with that said, this is just, like I said, introduction of the trailer build. Guys, if you like, obviously barbecuing, that's why you're here. But trailer builds like this, I want to be self-contained. I can boondock, live off grid with the trailer, the motorhome, and barbecue everywhere that I go. If you like this kind of stuff, please subscribe, like, share if you know anybody that has a project like this. And there you go. So with that going forward, we will be documenting better, having more build updates. This is just a quick introduction, so there you have it. Yeah, don't know what else to add other than hopefully see you on the future videos. Again, please subscribe, like, share if you know anybody. And with that said, we will see you at the grill.